You don't even have any pictures of Mr. Depp with cocaine.
What do you mean by that?
Holding cocaine, standing next to cocaine. Sitting next to cocaine.
I don't know. I don't know.
Amber Heard was accused of staging a photograph of her breakfast table on which Johnny Depp allegedly snorted cocaine while being cross-examined by the actor's lawyer on May 16th. During cross-examination, Depp's attorney Camille Vasquez suggested that the photo was inauthentic, citing a single unsmoked hand-rolled cigarette in the ashtray, 4 neat lines of cocaine with no residue, and a pretty neat table. What followed was a bizarre back and forth about the logistics of consuming cocaine. But despite being put off by Camille, Amber insists Depp took drugs and went ahead to include the photos while filing for her appeal. But the court has rejected the evidence, insisting it was staged. So what is the truth behind these photos? Let's find out more. During one of the many heated cross-examinations, Camille Vasquez showed the jury the photograph, listed as the defendant's Exhibit 167A and already admitted into evidence. Directing your attention, Ms. Heard, to the photograph, Camille said, confirming that the Justice League star took the photograph at her apartment in March 2013. And it's your testimony that Mr. Depp left this breakfast table just the way you took the photograph? Depp's counsel asked the Aquaman 2 actress. When Amber replied in the affirmative, Camille then asked, so this is what the table looked like after Mr. Depp had been doing cocaine? Well, clearly he has yet to snort these lines. Amber responded before the lawyer asked the 36-year-old whether there are 4 lines of cocaine on that table. The mother of one then replied, in this picture, I see 4 lines. When Camille pointed out that there wasn't any cocaine residue around those lines and that it didn't really look like anyone's been doing cocaine off that table, Amber said, with all due respect, I'm not sure you know how that works. I'm asking if you do, the lawyer replied, adding, you testified you've done cocaine. I have, the Texas native confirmed before Camille repeated her question. Doesn't really look like Mr. Depp or anyone was doing cocaine off that table, does it? She asked. I beg to differ with you on that, Amber asserted, adding, when you snort cocaine, typically it goes into your nose. It doesn't stay on the table. When the lack of residue around the lines of cocaine was highlighted, the paranoia star suggested that Depp had used a tampon applicator that she believed her sister had taught him to use in order to put the cocaine in his nose. Camille then switched to the subject of the ashtray, asking Amber, Mr. Depp is a pretty heavy smoker, right? He is, the actress said, also confirming that the only cigarette in the ashtray was one of Depp's hand-rolled, the one that's not smoked, Camille pressed, adding that there's no ash in the ashtray either, and that it looks pretty clean. It's a pretty neat table, wouldn't you agree? The lawyer continued her line of questioning as Amber suggested that it depends on what you would call neat. Once Amber testified that she had sent the photograph of the breakfast table to her friend, Los Angeles-based yoga instructor Rocky Pennington, Camille asked, so you have a habit of sending staged photos to your friend Rocky, don't you? I had a habit of communicating with my best friend about what was going on in my life, the actress replied. Camille then inquired whether Amber had any pictures of Depp actually consuming cocaine, holding cocaine, standing next to cocaine, sitting next to cocaine? I don't know, Amber replied when Camille counter-questioned her. Well, you haven't shown any of those pictures like that to the jury, have you? No, I haven't, the actress testified.
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, you haven't shown any of those pictures like that to the jury, have you?
I don't know.
But despite Camille to the Virginia jury that Amber staged the cocaine photos to set up Depp, the actress insisted on using the same evidence in the appeal, but her request was dismissed on arrival. Remember, this information is based on theories and opinions, and therefore shouldn't be considered facts. And that's it from us today. Until next time, bye!